There's something very interesting happening in this current bear market. Pretty much everything is going down except a few coins that have some similarities. Check this out. There is BitTensor, there is Celestia, there is Notcoin, there is Sei, there is Sui, and those are the main winners in a market that isn't doing too well. Now, what's so specific here? I believe that the rally in those tokens is 100% manipulated by Binance. Because every token that has broad ownership, that has ownership by many decentralized blockchains or by many different centralized exchanges, if there is broad ownership, those kind of tokens tend to go down. But have a look at the following. Here is BitTensor. Most trading happens on Binance. There is $89 million worth of trading volume and there is 14 million of open interest. Or have a look at Celestia. Binance is here at number 2 in trading volume. We've got BYDFi at the top. But here's the thing. BYDFi is also Binance. It's a rebrand of Binance. Check this out. This is BYDFi. And have a look at the design of this website. We've got the theme color here. We've got a toggle for dark mode. We've got a QR code to download the app. We've got the language selector over here. Check out Binance. For Binance, we've also got a toggle for the dark mode. We've also got a QR code. We've also got our language selector here. Technically, those two websites look extremely similar. BYDFi seems to simply be a white labeled Binance. And so Celestia is probably also manipulated by Binance here. Let's check the next token that's doing pretty well. Sei. Sei's trading volume is led by CoinCatch, not by Binance. Now here is CoinCatch. And are you surprised to see this toggle over here? Are you surprised to see the QR code or the language switcher over here? Is this any surprise whatsoever? No, those websites are all the same. When CoinCatch is leading the trading volume, especially on the perpetual futures market, it's actually Binance that's leading the trading volume. So we looked at Sei, let's look at Sui. Again, CoinCatch is leading the trading volume on the perpetual futures. On the spot market, it's Binance directly. And of course, let's have a look at Notcoin as well, the primary meme coin on the Ton blockchain. The spot trading volume is led by Binance. The perp volume is led by ZoomX. And of course, ZoomX is totally different, as we all know, because here the toggle for the dark theme doesn't even work. But of course, we still have our QR code. Of course, we've got our language toggle, and the login and sign up button is placed exactly the same way as everywhere else. Any token that's currently appreciating is not appreciating organically. It is driven by perpetual futures. It's driven by leverage. It's driven by the ownership of Binance. This market, I believe, is strongly in the hands of bears already. I know a lot of people don't want to hear it, but I believe we've already seen the top. Of course, not the top until forever, but I do believe that we are rather on the way down to 30K in Bitcoin than up to 100K. And there's a lot of data that supports this, right? For example, the stablecoin market cap isn't increasing since April of this year. There's no more money flowing into crypto. It's now 100% player versus player. And so what I personally do is I short the altcoins. I bet on falling prices of things like this, or like this, or like this. I don't try to pick the few manipulated tokens that might go up temporarily. Why not bet on all of those other red bubbles? Why not bet on the market concentrating? Because this is how any market works, right? When there's no more money flowing in, there tends to be a concentration process, and returns are concentrated in just a few winners, which are currently even mainly manipulated. Why not bet on most assets underperforming? That seems to be the bet that has the odds in our favor. I recently made a dedicated premium tutorial video on how to bet on falling prices without getting burned, right? This is the problem most people have with betting on falling prices. Prices can rise forever, and so you can get crushed completely. You have to have proper risk management. You also have to think about how to do relative valuation plays, right? When all of crypto is going up, then maybe a specific altcoin might go up as well, but potentially to a lesser degree if, for example, token inflation is very hard. There is very strong correlation with within crypto, but relative valuations aren't that volatile actually. If the supply of a token doubles within a year and there's no more money flowing into crypto as a whole, then at least relatively speaking, that token is likely going to underperform Bitcoin and Ethereum. And so that's, I believe, where currently the main source of alpha is. That's what we are betting on in Premium. We are of course also discussing this within Telegram, within the Premium groups. There is a shorting channel. There's also a dedicated altcoin group where we discuss all kinds of different alts. So if your crypto portfolio is above $5,000 or so, you should be able to get your money back for Premium. If you feel like you don't get enough value out of Premium, simply message me within the first week. You get a 100% money back guarantee. If your portfolio isn't yet large enough though, there is still a free Telegram. The link is as well down below. Looking very much forward to chatting with you over there as well. Cheers!